How's it going, viewers of the internet? In today's mother freaking video, I am going to be pretty much cracking open this free coaster I have laying around and seeing if it's pretty much good. I'm looking like Casper the Ghost right now. I'll do. So, as I was saying, I am cracking open this hub just because this hub has been through it all. It's very close to dying, guys. I'm not gonna lay it down softly. It's very close to dying. But with that, where'd the wheel go? Hold on. There we go. So the rim is a G-Sport roll cage laced to a Shadow free coaster hub. I really hope it runs good because I really don't want to buy a new hub, but if I have to, I have to, and it'll probably be a cassette. This is going to be the perfect transition into this RT montage. If you guys happen to love my channel, if you guys watch a lot of my videos, go support your boy. Go purchase a Bike Life beanie or a Needle Media dad hat. 10 bucks on the site right now, blowout sale. Use code BikeLife to get 15% off your entire order. So with that, let's get this dream build episode going. So everything seems to be in decent condition. There is some flaws, like there's two bearings that are getting pretty bad, and for the most part, everything else just looks perfect. So on that means we are going to put this on my bike tonight, and that means there's only one or two more parts that need to be put on my bike, and it's complete. So let's get right back into this. My God. So I forgot to take into consideration that I need 17mm bolts to put on the back wheel. So I guess we're going to continue on with this whole entire series, but I'm only going to be working on the front end of my bike still because I need cranks, I need a sprocket, I need a seat, and I need the bolts for the back wheel. I'm a mess.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Nice. So that is not the end of the video. I just want to say a few little things before the video actually ends. So with this, I just want to also say that I am going to be finishing up this bike, and I know so far this bike looks like a Frankenstein bike, and if you guys don't know what that is, that's pretty much a bike that just put together with just randomly assorted parts and just not the best, but it's coming together and super stoked on it so far. Another thing I also want to say is that I am pretty much good to ride my bike. Not 100%, but I am good to ride it pretty much. I'm not able to do tricks and much, but I can pedal around and do various sort of stuff like that. So expect me to go to some indoor skate parks and skate parks nearby when the weather starts pretty much getting nicer out. That's why I'm in such a hurry to build this bike up, because I can't wait. I cannot wait to hop on my bike, and I'm pretty sure you guys know that same feeling, is that you just want to hop on your bike and go ride and have fun. You guys get my pain. With this dream bike build number 4000 is going to come out later, where I pretty much can put on the back wheel, buy the cranks, buy the sprocket, and everything's gonna come together, and I cannot wait. So with this, share it with your friends, share it with the homies, share it with your dog, share it with the cat, share it with your mom, share it with your friends. Hot mom, missing something. There we go. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Also, shout out to Ruben Durham. Go subscribe to his channel on YouTube. Link will be in the description below. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I lost a bet on Twitter, that's why. See you guys in the next video. Peace.